this is Bernard from Premier Group International, and this quick FAQ video is on how to acid wash your bricks before sealing. So it's called the Premier Acid Washing Method for Premier Brick, and the idea of this is to remove mortar stains, efflorescence, or to prepare for sealer. So I'm going to read off the instructions here and hopefully elaborate on a few of them for you, and hopefully it answers lots of your questions about sealing, preparing, acid washing your Premier brick. So number one, bricks must be as dry as possible. Do not wet bricks before applying acid. So important, alright? So they must be dry. Do not acid wash wet bricks. Number two, fill a 10-litre knapsack sprayer with 12 parts water to 1 part Premier acid wash. So you can buy the acid wash off us, so we can courier that direct to your doorstep. So that's Premier acid wash, comes in 4-litre bottles, and depending on the size of your house, we can work out how much acid you need. So number three, start spraying from the bottom of the wall and work up to the top of the wall slowly and evenly so that 100% of the face fizzes as you work up. So start at the bottom and work up with nice even spraying, as if you're spraying your lawn but you're spraying up the wall, okay? So very important, start from the bottom and work up so you're getting total coverage, and as it goes you'll see it fizz, and then the fizzing will die away after a few seconds. So number four, the fizzing will only occur for a few seconds as you work up the wall. So jumping ahead of myself there, so that's how it happens. Number five, do not start at the top of the wall and work down, or serious run marks will occur. So if you go and start at the top under your eaves and work down, you're going to end up with run marks down the face of your brick, which is going to look really, really ugly, and be very, very hard to repair or fix. Okay, so the acid wash doesn't take any prisoners, so you must follow these instructions to the letter. Okay, number six, follow this method for all walls. Do not wash down with water until all walls are sprayed. Really important. So you'll start with one wall, work your way up, then you'll go to the next patch, work up again, so until you've gone right around the house. So don't acid wash one wall and then wash it down with water. Just do the whole house first with the acid. So then we go number seven. Now wash down the walls from top to bottom with a hose and a broom. So get plenty of use just a garden hose and start from the top of the house, and again do it wall by wall by wall, and work down with a broom and scrubbing with a broom as you wash down. And this will actually, because what the acid wash does is takes the fines out of the surface, washes off any mortar stains, and removes any efflorescence, so it leaves a dust on the surface of the bricks once it dries out. Very important to use heaps of clean water and a broom and scrub it so that comes down the wall, and at that point the acid is neutralized because it's already had its chemical reaction, so there's no need to put tarpaulins and things all over your lawns or gardens. You can just wash that down with clean water. Okay, so the next step is scrub the walls as you go to remove the residue created by the acid wash. So I've kind of explained that already. Number nine, allow the walls to dry completely before applying the Premier Gloss Sealer. So I've already explained in another video how to apply the Premier Gloss Sealer. So you've got to be very, very careful, follow the instructions to the letter, otherwise you can end up with a real disaster on your hands. So just a word of warning on that, very important. If you've got any questions about this process, this acid washing process or the sealing process, you must give us a call on 0800 22 22 98, or chat with us on our website www.premierbrick.co.nz. But it's much easier to talk through it on the phone, or if you need on-site coaching, in a lot of areas we can also offer that depending on our lead time and availability. So the equipment you're going to need is number one is a knapsack sprayer or garden sprayer, number two a hose, number three a broom, number four a mask to protect from any acid fumes, safety glasses again for protection, long gloves up to your elbow, and safety gloves, overalls is preferred as well, so you're protecting all of your skin, and the Premier acid wash. So those are the main materials that you need. So hopefully this video helps to answer the question of how to Premier Acid Wash my bricks. So once again, a word of caution, only do this if it's absolutely necessary. So if your bricklayer's made a bit of a mess and there's mortar stains all over the bricks, then this is the method to get it off. Or if there's lots of efflorescence occurring in your mortar joints or the brick, again, this is the method. Or if there's or if you after 6 to 12 months of weathering and you choose to that you want to acid wash and seal your bricks to bring up a darker, freshly laid look, then this is the method to use. So any questions, give us a call, 0800 22 22 98. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Signing out.